The white zone is for immediate loading and unloading of passengers only.
That's actually very good. Oh, I don't have my seatbelt on. Hey, can you, I need to get by to use the restroom. Okay. Millions of people will be spending time just like this, and in the airport, and in the friendly skies during the next few days. And I hate to say it, but there's always a good chance of some delays during the holiday season. But before you start feeling a little bah humbug,
I wish I was lucky enough to sit next to someone like you on an airplane.
Because I
never end up getting somebody like her. Beauty expert Stacey Cox says, look at the bright side. Those delays are a perfect time for a beauty fix. She's here with some fabulous tips, and you look fabulous.
Are you afraid? I'm afraid.
Yeah, you know, I see some things around here wondering what she's going to...
Best outfit ever, though, Stacey Cox. You make an excellent flight attendant.
No, you should both be very afraid, because you know the rule with my segments. Either you go big or you go home. All right. So first thing you're going to do is with Jess, the Old Navy frost freeze jacket she's wearing.
That's a really cute jacket.
Is that pretty cute, right? It's about $39. $39. But here's the tip.
What?
So I've got it, she's wearing the jacket, I've got it in the vest right here.
Yeah.
What you do is you bring an extra t-shirt with you.
Yeah.
And you take the jacket or the vest and you stuff
just made a pillow.
And you made a pillow. Exactly.
So then you can also use it when you get to whatever cold weather. And here, can I just borrow that for a second?
Dual purpose. Get cozy. It's going to be a long one. Every girl, Stacey, needs to bring a clean pair of undies with her.
They do.
Shouldn't you be wearing them?
Yeah. They do. But,
what?
You know, for stranded in an airport, if there are any overnight emergencies, you need a clean pair of panties. This is right here down there. This is from Urban Aid, and it's called their emergency undies. It retails for $10 on their website. It comes in a little tin. You can stuff it in your purse or your travel bag. Check this out, y'all.
Whoa, that's not a lot of undies.
It's not a lot, but it is clean, and clean is the key.
Yes.
And I do like the little tin they come in.
The tin is great, and then you can use the tin after for storing earrings, jewelry, things like that, right?
You know, one of the things that I have a challenge with, no matter how far you travel, an hour or a 6-hour flight, you feel like your energy just goes away.
So true.
You do.
It sucks the life out of you.
It does. It drains you. It depletes you. And
what you got?
Cheers, girl.
Whoa.
Hello.
Explosive.
Crazy. Okay.
Are we shooting shots?
You're shooting shots.
Okay.
That is from Genesis Today, and it's called their Pure Energy Organic. That's right. Organic energy shots. What's great about these is they're 2 ounces, so they're going to pass through TSA security. They're only 35 calories. You're drinking goji berry.
What am I drinking?
Michaela's drinking acai berry. And what's great about them is they work with your metabolism. So if you're going in for a big meal, this has vitamin B12 in it at 500% of your daily need. It also has 150% of your vitamin C to fight immunity.
No refined sugar.
It's no refined sugar, so you're going to drink this. It's like a cup of coffee, but because it has guarana, it has guarana.
We're out of time. Do we have more for anything else?
Yeah, we got to keep going.
Oh my God,
quick.
Okay, coat maxi pads in your shoes.
Why?
Wait, hold on. We've got to organize here. The Pure Energy, you get it at Whole Foods. Genesis Today at Whole Foods. Maxi pads stick in your shoes.
For what?
If you want to cushion your shoes and insulate them, if your feet are getting tired carting up and down
You don't think people look at you crazy?
Well, yeah, but it's kind of a do-it-yourself easy tip.
Okay.
Now, if you've got puffiness around your eyes.
Yes, hate that.
Right here from Olay, this is their anti-aging eye roller. It's from their Regenerous collection.
Just roll it
what
under your
I love is it's got dimethicone in it, and it's got glycerin in it, and so you use it around your eyes. But what I really love is if your ears are clogged and you can't hear, you take the tri-roller balls, you rub them around your ears to get airflow and to start to unclog your ears.
Oh, I love
Nice.
Also from Secret right here, I'm sorry to run around everybody, but right there from Secret, you've got their scent, their Secret Scent Expressions Ooh La La Lavender. Secret is the #1 deodorant antiperspirant in North America, and these complement their deodorants, and you can use them on your feet, your hair, freshen up the airplane seats with them. They retail for $4.29. And right here from Specific Beauty, those are their exfoliating cleansing cloths that do not use water.
Okay.
$6.99 at Specific Beauty.
Our flight's going to be delayed if we don't get out of here. She had way too many.
I had way too many, Genesis.
For more information on Stacey Cox and all her fabulous tips, you can follow her on Twitter at Stacey Cox Beauty, or click on the red info button. Do we still have that on KTLA.com? We'd like to thank Air Hollywood for providing these aviation-themed props. You're amazing. You can find out more about them, KTLA.com. We love you, Stacey.
Thank you,
coming up next on our stopover, we have a great giveaway, the Anchor Challenge. You have a chance to win a